Be bold and don't buy a bed for the bedroom. This bedroom is 2.8 meters by 2.6 meters. The bed and wardrobe are instantly crowded at night. The child's activity space is useless. People often fall. The bay window has also become a pile of sundries. The wardrobe door cannot be opened. The key is that the child lies at the end of the bed to write. It hurts the eyes and is sad to see me, an old lady, chewing watermelon rind. She is very knowledgeable. Put a few wooden squares on the top to make a frame, and then fill it with sound insulation cotton and gypsum board. It is more beautiful. Even if the upstairs is parallel at home, the house is very quiet. It is flush with the wall, and the precious wall is hung on the top. The child's pajamas are stored below. The child's folded clothes are stored below. Closing the cabinet door is beautiful and convenient. Go to the stepmother's house and move a rib to lie on the bed. Then move the mattress to the second cousin's house, and it will be the child's rest area. Make an upper cabinet by the window to store and block the cold. Close the cabinet door to block the dust. Install switches and sockets at the head of the bed, and you don't have to worry about wetting the bed in the middle of the night. 2. The purple pull-out cabinet next to it can also store children's favorite snacks. The extended seat on top allows the church to buy 200 kilograms of literary books for the children. It is beautiful and dust-proof when the cabinet door is closed. The high cabinet next to it is connected to add children's literary books on the top and store daily sundries that are not often used. The cabinet door is closed, which is beautiful and dust-proof. A whiteboard is hung in the middle for children to make drafts. As long as they are well-equipped, they can take exams in Tsinghua University and Peking University. The end of the bed is used as a wardrobe for children's beautiful tops and pants. The cabinet door is closed to block the salad cabinet under the cabinet, and it can also be stored. After a few years, several drawers are used as steps to store children's underwear and smelly socks. It is very convenient. Finally, a perforated board is hung against the wall, and the children can hang their coats and bags when they enter the bedroom. This design doubles the storage capacity. In addition, the children's spacious study area also has a very large activity space.